Hi everyone, Kai here from Cinefly. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of Directr Plus, which is a new product that we're launching in October this year. With Directr Plus, we fully automated the creative process for creating professional video, and we've made it available on our mobile app. So what you're able to do is speak to Cinefly Muse in any language. It will design a storyboard for you. If you like, you can customize it. But then Cinefly Muse will take you through step by step, guiding you on where to go, what to say, how to film. It'll also give you tricks and tips on how to improve your content. You press a button, it will fully automate the video for you. And we're also introducing one press deployment, so you can select all your social media channels, press a button, and it will automatically format the video to work on every platform. That's coming out in October. The other feature that we're rolling out as well is collaboration. So not only can you design a storyboard for yourself and be guided on how to shoot the video, you can invite your friends and family or your colleagues to participate in the video. So Cinefly will organize all of that for you. So whether it's a wedding, whether it's a company update, or whatever the occasion is, we got you covered. Anyway, so let me give you a sneak peek. This is not all the features, but let me give you a sneak peek of what this looks like, and we'll keep you updated as we go along. Cooper's passed out because this is like take 256. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is Directr Plus. In this example, I want to promote the Gold Coast as a tourism business, but I want to do that through my fictional company called Kai's GC Motorbike Tours. So with Cinefly Muse, Cinefly Muse will brainstorm with you. So if you're not sure about the video you want to create, it will, as long as you like, it will kick around some ideas and help you get a really great video together. I'm not going to do that in this demo. I just wanted to show you really quickly that we've got Cinefly Muse on mobile now. And I'm just going to go Muse go, which tells Cinefly Muse to do all the heavy lifting and to design the storyboard for me. So it's generating the storyboard. Okay, here's the storyboard. So here's the overview of the storyboard, promoting the Gold Coast, promoting my company. Clicking through each different shot, you can see that it gives you an overview of the shot. So if you were to go into that shot and start recording, Cinefly Muse will guide you on what to say and how to film. If you forget to say something or the lighting's not good, it will also give you tricks and tips on how to improve that. What's new is we've added this AI feature. So maybe you don't have a B-roll shot, maybe you want to capture some drone footage, or maybe you want to add some visuals to your video. You can now do that on the fly using the mobile app. The other thing that you can do is it's fully customizable, so you can switch the shots around. If you want to add a shot, and you know exactly what you want to do, you can add a shot, put all the details there, or you can just use Cinefly Muse and give it a high-level prompt in terms of the shot that you want to add. It'll let you do that. And then there's other features as well, like being able to delete a shot. So all of that customization is really built in. So yeah, that's a sneak peek of Directr Plus. It's coming out in October. Looking forward to sharing it with you guys.